Guys, I hadn't filed my taxes in 4 freaking years. Every time tax season came around, I just avoided it.
In this video, I'll be going over running meta ads and not just regular meta ads. I'll be going over making creative meta ads using videos, using this new tool. It's relatively new called ArcAds.ai.
My
So essentially,
taxes in
within ArcAds, what we will be doing, we'll be
guys.
taking Claude and then giving Claude an entire work to do to give us the script, and within the script we will use a number of different actors, use the different actors to come up with the best voice, the best emotions. And from this, without further ado, let's get started. So first, to get started here, I have a number. So this is a campaign for accounting firms. So as you can see here, as you can see, stress women, stress women. So I already made the static ads, a number of these static ads I made in a previous video. See if I just hover over them here. So this is one, this is another one, this is a third one, as you can see, as they're just showing up. So the point of these is to essentially draw emotions. And this is just a static video. So it would look like, it looks like this one, but it's a video. And then these two, with where you see the copy, all these are, which are pretty much just placeholders for me to add the videos. So one of this video I already made. So for example, I called it back taxes print point. This is again running ads for accounting firms. So essentially what I did here, so this is an entire conversations I've been having with Claude, just about running these. And so this was the original script. So I'm just going, so my prompt is here. I want to make a video ads for the back tax campaigns. So I want to make two, and then one will be from the pain point of a woman who hasn't filed taxes in years. The other one will be from the point of view of a confident accountant with 20 plus years of experience doing back taxes for people. So as you can see here, have script one, which is the woman starting with the pain point, which is like a testimonial. And script two is from an accountant that's confident, comes up with a lot of authority. And when I combine these with all the static ads, I think from there, give a number of dollar amount per day to see what works for, in terms of like to test, to work with on a weekly basis. So this one
Or
I picked. So for example, once you come in here in ArcAds, what you have to do is just press on folder, and then from here, the back taxes accountant, I already started that. It doesn't look like it attracted, so let's just go ahead and build it together. So click on add actors. First, you obviously have to make an account. And this account, I believe it's around $110 a month. But right now, ArcAds has it as they have a discount going on. But obviously, just ArcAds.ai, two entrepreneurs is going in. So now this one is for the male accountant, but going back to how I made this one, so just click on here, and essentially what I was going for is going for a middle-aged woman that has mortgage, potentially kids, essentially that doesn't, because life got behind, things are a lot of things going in life, and as a result hadn't filed back taxes, have back taxes for a number of years, so they hadn't filed for a number of years. Life happened, and I think a number of people, matter of fact, a lot of people could relate to that. And I think it could be essentially a very, very good one that people could relate to. And I think that relatability will be one of the reasons they click on that. So,
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one
this
of the
one I did
natural
not choose
AI
this
actors
one because
you
it
can use
just
for your
sounds a bit British. I don't think it'll work.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your
This one,
ads.
I think that's one of the one I picked, so we can.
Script
I personally usually start with
you think
three,
will work
so I
well.
just
Choose
pick
some
one
actors.
here. I look. Again, I'm going for a middle-aged woman that other people can relate to.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI
So
actors
remember, I'm trying to stir
you can
emotions, so I don't think that
use for
one
your
is the best one I could use. So I keep scrolling. There's a lot of different actors.
Hey
This
you, welcome to
woman,
Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
she looks like
Create a
she's ready
script
to
you
get
think
some
will work
tea
well,
time.
choose some
She's
actors, and
relatively
let the magic
attractive.
happen.
Again,
Together,
so I
let's
think she
skyrocket your
would
ads
do
performance.
relatively kind of how I think
Hey
about.
you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI
She
actors you can
looks
use for your
a
ads.
bit too
Create a
young
script
for the audience. So I'll pick, let's say I pick this one, but you know, they're trying to nickel and dime you. You gotta pay some more. I just pick the ones that I don't have to pay too much.
Hey,
I'm already paying enough, man. You know, these things just pretty much just nickel and dime you every day. So this,
Hey you,
that was
welcome
the
to
winning ad, and I'll just show you guys
Hey you,
again how
welcome to
I went about doing it. These platforms pretty much just try to nickel and dime you every day. Meanwhile, you're just trying to create some ads and get some revenue going for a company. I don't think I went that far, but this woman right here,
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI
that
actors you
looks
can
like
use for your ads.
somebody
Create a script you think
others
will
could
work
relate to.
well, choose some actors,
Boom. So that's three
and let
people.
them.
And then I'll just go on here, select 3 actors selected, and then I'll just go on here. Oh no. So if I go back, add actors. So as you can see here, all 3 actors are in here. Now just pretty much just add the script. So the original script, I trimmed it tremendously down from what it was because I don't want the ads to be over like a minute long because how long would people just be hearing that story the entire time? So take this here and I just copy it and paste it. And then from here, just let it cook a little bit. You just want to hear them out. You want to check out the voice, the speed, the stability, etc.
I'm just going to
be honest with you. I hadn't filed my
So let's use this one.
taxes in 4 years. 4 years. Every time tax season came around, I just avoided it.
be honest with you. I hadn't filed my taxes in 4 years. 4 years. Every time tax season came around, I just
So I'm
avoided
really
it.
slowing this
I told
down.
myself I'd deal with it next year. And then next year came and it felt even.
As you can see, every time you change something, it just like comes back a little bit.
I'm just going to be honest with you. I hadn't filed my taxes in 4
I
years.
didn't like this.
4 years.
Every time. The honest part. So I just made a lot of changes.
Guys,
So if I just take this here, she's a little bit too smiley. I don't know if you make too smiley and something like this, but make this smaller. So this is what it came down to. It came out to this, but she's being so smiley. I don't know if she's the one I want to go with now. And then so now let's hear this one out. As you can see, these take just a little bit, and then once you're done with all of this, you just press this to go on which one you want to add
Guys,
the.
I hadn't filed my taxes in 4 freaking years. Every time tax season came around, I just avoided it. I told myself I'd deal with it next year. And then next year came and it felt even more impossible to face. I was honestly scared of what I owed. So I just kept pushing it down. It got to the point where I couldn't apply for a mortgage. I found tax relief and they walked me through it step by step. If you've been avoiding this like I was, you don't have to anymore. Click the link below and they'll tell you exactly what you need to do.
I personally think this lady kind of sounds better than the original one that I have here. I think the video I made. Let's see. And she's more plain Jane too. I think more people can relate to her. So let me see. If I come here, I'm just checking it out on a different. I just want to hear that lady out again. Let me just do add actors. She was down a bit more. You just pretty much reiterate a little bit as you make these.
Hey, you, welcome to our cat.
So yeah, so this is her.
Hey
I
you,
think
welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well, choose some actors, and let the magic happen. Together, let's skyrocket your ads performance. Welcome to ArcAds.
again, guys, it's all about, for me, it's about results. It's all about result for me. And sharing a personal story like this may get the ladies to stop to relate to, but the men can get going with this as well. So personally, I don't care. I don't discriminate. So let's see. Let's hear this again.
Guys, I hadn't filed my taxes in 4 freaking years. Every time tax season came around, I just avoided it. I told myself I'd deal with it next year. And then next year came, and it felt even more impossible to face. I was honestly scared of what I owed. So I just kept pushing it down. It got to the point where I couldn't apply for a mortgage. I found tax relief, and they walked me through it step by step. If you've been avoiding this like I was, you don't have to anymore. Click the link below and they'll tell you exactly what you need to do.
I hadn't filed
All right, now let's watch this again.
I hadn't filed my taxes in 4 freaking years.
She looks too happy for this ad. You know what I mean? It's like this is supposed to be a story, emotional, but she's like smiling.
Every time tax season came around, I just
and the AI is AI.
avoided it.
It's not looking
I told my
So I really do think I have to go with that one. So I'm just gonna delete this, delete that. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me find this actor again. Let me find the actor. Oh my god, how could I do this? I deleted the wrong one. But I'm gonna find her with the blue tops. Can't forget those blue tops. Where is she? Perfect. There we go. Alright, 2 selected. Oh. Boom. Right here. And then let's hear it again. Oh no. The wrong one. Not Noel. It's Rachel. I think it was at 90.
Guys, I hadn't filed my tax.
And this woman. I want to do it like 90. I think it was. But everything else, I think, stayed the same. There you go. Here. Last run.
my taxes.
Nope. Rachel, what?
Guys, I hadn't filed my taxes in 4 freaking years.
That sounds...
Every time tax season came around, I just avoided it. Told myself I'd deal with it next year. And then next year...
Okay. Rachel, come on. Okay. If you see, does this woman look believable? I think
I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well. Choose...
I think she's more persuasive. So, alright, let's go with Rachel. Let's delete this. Let's take this and just pay some more tokens, some more credits, some more credits. Alright, this will take a long time, but essentially it will just load up just like this and then you just download it. You guys get the point. I just wanted to make this quick video. Please like and subscribe and tell me if you want to see anything else next. And see you soon.